what's up you guys? Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel if you're new here. Hi, I'm Lauren. I was kind of planning on restarting my YouTube channel this summer and doing a lot of videos, and then that just didn't happen. I got busy. I decided there's no time like the present to get started again. Also, my parents are out of town, so I don't feel awkward talking out loud in my room. So in today's video, I decided I'm going to make myself look better. So if you want to see how I went from this to this, then keep on watching. I watched a video of Emma Chamberlain's, and it was from last summer, and it was about her transforming herself and having a hot girl summer. And I realized I'm not having a hot girl summer. I have been quarantined since March 13th. I haven't really seen anyone except my parents. My everyday look has been this. Today, I thought, why not get ready to go nowhere? Realistically, I should have started this video yesterday because I did get my hair done. So I should have recorded that, but I'll just put in a before clip of what my hair looked like, or realistically what my hair is gonna look like in a few days once I have to wash it and then it's not cute and styled anymore. I probably cut like 4 inches off of it this summer just because I got a trim a little bit ago, but that's my hair. And I also fake tanned yesterday, and I also should have recorded myself before that because that would have been part of this hot girl summer transformation. But again, once my fake tan wears off, I'll just insert a clip here of what I used to look like. Okay, so the next part of my hot girl summer transformation is going to be to paint my nails. So we're gonna do that. I've been doing like my own fake nails at home, but that's just a lot of effort, and hot girls don't have time for that. In this pandemic, absolutely not. So I'm just gonna go paint my nails. So we'll do a montage. I just got done painting my nails. I just did a pink color. I also did my toenails the same color, but obviously I didn't record that because there are people who sell that kind of stuff on the internet, and I'm not one of them. So you're not getting that for free from me. Or at all. Not even just like not for free. You know what I mean? I'm not putting my feet on the internet. So now I am going to do my makeup. I should probably put my hair back. Not gonna do it. I filmed a couple videos in June. I only uploaded like one because I got nervous. I'm gonna use the Glossier Perfecting Skin Tint. Basically this does nothing, but I'm gonna put it on my face anyways because I spent way too much money on it. So I guess I should probably like tell you a little bit about myself. Probably should have told you about myself at the beginning of the video, but here we are. I'm a college student. I go to the University of Arkansas. I am in the nursing program there. That looks good. I graduate December of 2021. Technically, with my age, I should have graduated this year, but I changed my major like 5 times in college. It's fine. I changed to nursing halfway through my sophomore year, and at first I was like super sad about it, but then I got over it because I transferred to the University of Arkansas anyways my sophomore year. So really, this is about to be my 4th year there. So I'm just kind of like calling myself a senior just because none of them knew me my freshman year, which is probably a good thing. So now I'm gonna use the Glossier concealer. Honestly, I kind of hate it. I usually use Tarte Shape Tape, and I feel like that would be just way too heavy with what I'm doing today, so we're not gonna do that. I feel like the trend now is like very light, like pretty, fairy, cute TikTok makeup, and I'm a trend follower, so I'm gonna do that. So this past semester was supposed to be my actual first semester doing clinicals, just because everything up until that time had been prereqs. I only got to go to my clinical site for 2 days, and then the next week we did volunteer work in the community instead of clinicals for that week, and then the next day we were told we had to go home. All my classes for the fall have already been moved online. Don't know if we're having lab in person still, and I don't know if I'm actually going to a clinical site. I already did like a Glossier makeup first impressions, and basically all of this is from that. If everything's online again in the spring and like I don't get to go to clinicals, then I might just end up having 1 semester of experience in a real hospital, which is terrifying. I haven't even done anything before. But on the bright side, every other nursing student is in the exact same boat as me. So we will make it through. It could be worse, you know? It could be worse. Okay, now I'm gonna set my face with the Glossier powder. Honestly, what are art students doing? If anyone out there is an art student, can you tell me how you're like handling going online? I'm assuming a lot of the stuff they used was in like the studio, just because I know art majors and like architecture students spend like all their time in studio. So like, what are you guys doing? Like, what have you been doing? Are you okay? Honestly, everyone should be online with the state of the world. I don't want to get sick. I don't want to get anyone else sick. Is my main thing. I guess this is just becoming like a life update, get to know me. How are you guys doing? You know, I don't have a lot of subscribers. I gained like 50 over the summer so far. I posted like one video and I was like, oh my god, new videos every week. Make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss a thing, blah blah blah. And then I just ghosted the internet again, which isn't the first time I've done that, because I started my YouTube channel my sophomore year and I did a lot of like sorority videos, like sorority recruitment vlog, and I was having so much fun with it. Really enjoyed YouTube, liked the vibe. But then one day at my sorority initiation, our president came up to me and said, Lauren, make sure you don't vlog at initiation, and she really scared me. So I just didn't pick up my camera again for like a year. You know, the rational part of me is like, she was just joking around, it's whatever, it's fine. But then the irrational part of me is like, oh my god, all of the seniors were probably watching it and making fun of me. So I privated all of those videos and then unprivated them, and they got some more views, and then I privated them again, and then I made some videos last summer, and like girls at recruitment and girls that joined my sorority were telling me they watched my videos, and I was like, oh my god, I'm so famous. How do I handle the fame? But then I just got uncomfortable again, just because I have this constant fear that everyone ever hates me. But we're trying to get over that. That's been one of my goals throughout quarantine, is to just stop caring about what people think of me. But you know, I'm really bored and I need something to do with my time. So I kind of decided, you know what, we're gonna give it another chance. I'm gonna film some fun and fresh videos that probably aren't gonna be that good or fun or fresh. So we're back at it again. Let's see if I even upload this or if I just ghost the internet and never come back. Who knows? I don't think I'm that entertaining and I don't think I'm that funny. You know what? I am kind of funny. I take that back. You know, I'm gonna use this super old Naked 2 Basics palette. I figured I might as well get some videos done now. I only have a couple weeks. Oh my gosh. I only have like 3 weeks left, maybe even 2 weeks left of summer. How is it already August? I swear, I still think it's the beginning of July. This fall is definitely gonna be an interesting time for everyone. I may not have any free time to keep up with this YouTube channel, but we're gonna try. Just because it's fun. And I was like, you know what? I only have 3 semesters left where I could do like college content. So I needed to do it now. Because soon I'm going to be old and absolutely irrelevant. Like, what will I have to offer? You know? It's going to make these eyebrows bushier than normal. About a month ago, I impulsively decided to shave half of my eyebrows off. And I kind of like where they are now. But for a bit, I was looking pretty scary. I'm not even gonna lie. Like at the time I thought it was an absolute look, which it kind of was. But I also realized it probably was really concerning my family. They were probably like, why did our daughter just shave half of her eyebrows off? But they never said anything to me, which is really nice of them, you know, not shaming me. I like that. Okay, so I think this is my new quarantine look. Just like really light, natural makeup. I don't know, I feel like it's the vibe, and why would I put on a whole face makeup during quarantine? Now the next step of our quarantine transformation is to put on a different outfit, because this is all I've been wearing. We're going to find an outfit to wear and make me feel better about myself. The absolute best thing about being in a sorority is all the t-shirts. I don't know what I'm gonna wear when I'm not in my sorority anymore. Kind of already like stressed about the thought of that. Like, I don't own regular t-shirts. Like, can I still wear my sorority t-shirts once I'm graduated, or is that just weird? I don't know. Let me know in the comments below. I don't know whether I want to dress like really cute, like fancier clothes, or whether I want to do like a casual, like quarantine look, you know what I mean? Like maybe just like this tank top with like some denim shorts and like a necklace and hoops. That could be a look. Okay, we're doing that tank and these shorts, and then those are my accessories. So I'm gonna go put that on. Okay, so I put the outfit on, and I also added this little butterfly necklace and these butterfly earrings that took me about 5 minutes to figure out how to open up because it's like a hoop. So who knows if I'll be able to get them out of my ears. So the next step of my quarantine transformation is to prove I had a transformation. So obviously I have to go take a picture by myself. Okay, we're gonna go outside. Okay, we're outside, and I'm gonna try to find a place to take a picture. Thankfully, no one lives super close to my house, and no one will be able to see me do this. Okay, so this is the fit. I'm just gonna pull up the shorts. There was that. Oh, look at my kitty. Hi, Tabby. Hi, honey. You wanna come take pictures with mommy? Okay. Also, don't judge the fact his name is Tabby. He was a stray that just showed up at our house, and we didn't know what to call him, so we just called him the Tabby Cat, and then he kind of just took Tabby as his name. He just has an unoriginal name. Tabby, do you want to be in a picture? Yes. He doesn't like being picked up. He's sitting on my feet. We're just gonna take screenshots from some videos because I don't know how to do self-timer on this camera. I assume it does it, but I don't know how to do that. Hi. Here's my boys. What the? Do you pay rent here, sir? I don't think so. Final thoughts. I had actually been wanting to do like a quarantine transformation video kind of thing since the beginning of quarantine, when I basically decided I wanted to restart my YouTube channel. And part of that plan was working out and like getting in shape and getting abs and stuff, but that didn't happen like at all. But that's basically this video. I just wanted to get a little dressed up, but not really dressed up, do my makeup, already had my hair done, and just feel a little bit better about myself, you know? So that was this video. I hope you enjoyed my little quarantine 24-hour transformation. That really was only a couple hours because I didn't film yesterday. So I'm planning on uploading more like lifestyle college content soon. So hopefully I'll do that. But that's it for today's video, and hopefully I'll see you guys in the next one. Should this be the thumbnail? That was good.